Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. Today we are starting a new series based on one of the oldest Indian folk art called varli. We will be learning different elements used in this art form as well as its culture and history. Please subscribe to my channel for latest videos and updates in this series.
The Warli folk painting is a form of tribal art mainly created by tribal people or Adivasis from western parts of India near Mumbai. Its roots are traced to as early as 10th century. During weddings and harvest seasons, married women called Suhasinis gather together and paint Warli art on the house walls. The walls are painted with a mixture of cow dung, soil, and binder. This forms a great red ochre backdrop for Varli paintings. Rice is used to make the white paint. It is first soaked, dried, and then pounded into very fine powder. Water is added along with some plant gum which acts as a binder. For paint brushes, bari grass twigs chewed on one end are used. Varli art uses very basic geometric shapes that are symbolic of different elements of nature. Triangle depicts mountains and conical trees. Circle represents sun and moon. Square is the only human invention. It means a sacred enclosure, also called as chowk, or a piece of land called varal. Using these basic geometric shapes, let's begin creating Varli elements. We can start with Varli humans. With two triangles connected at waist, lines for hands, legs, and circular head, we have created a Varli male. Now repeat the same process with just one exception. Let's add a hair bun. Now this becomes a Varli female. The beauty of the art lies in its simplicity. Even if you want to add some decorative elements, in this case maybe flowers, anklets, bangles, we'll only use simple dots and lines. Now let's see how easy it is to draw a Varli animal and bird. The Varli tribals were originally hunters and gatherers. Then they started cultivating land and moved to agriculture. They give a lot of importance to farm animals, trees, shrubs, birds. It is quite evident in their paintings. Varli artwork always has a border. These borders are created using simple shapes inspired by nature. Here you can see some basic Varli elements. In this series, we'll be learning in detail about each element. We'll be learning about various types of human actions, different types of trees, animals, Varli houses, borders. So subscribe to my channel for the latest videos.